We're doing basically a basic vacuum filter and using a Buckner filter and filter this. They come pre-made. This is a medium 102. Not worried about being very clean at this point. Wet the filter. There, now we got it. This gauge came from a hand pump.
There it goes.
Giving it settle. Water on it. Aqua Regia with dropped gold in the bottom. Precipitates in the bottom. It's very green today.
It's going here.
There, now we got a good seal.
There.
Punching out the brown tan mud. Seeing a few crystals in there, some salt crystals. This is our first drop.
Hear 'em.
Get that magnet out. And there is a crystal in there, probably salt. Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Show us my other salt crystals. That's going to be about another minute. 1/8 fittings. This came off of a hand pump with a 1/8 fitting, 1/8 by 3-inch nipple, so you have a place to crank it down. 1/8 to barb, 1/8 to barb fittings. This is you cut the end off of an air conditioning vacuum hose. This probably will never collapse. Over here in the window is a cheap air conditioning vacuum. Works pretty good. This is vinyl hose from Home Depot. You can tell it's already starting to collapse. Looks like most of our liquid is out. You can really see the color now. You see some salt crystals in there. Let's put that back in the light so you can see it. This is our first drop of this. You can see the green. Nice green. Who knows what's in that? Definitely some copper, because this is probably drawn off from the copper drop. We'll never pull this off of here right now. You see the pressure starting to go down. The vacuum starting to drop down. It was up to 25.
That's going hard.
So we pretty much got all the liquid out of it we're going to get with all the liquid out that we're going to get with. Now you can see the air is going to come in back into the system through the filter.
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's really slow. Much slower than normal. It's good, I guess.
Just wait for the air to make up the space that's in the vacuum. The only way you're going to get to connect the threads from the vacuum filter to the vacuum gauge is to take a cheap hose. I think this was either 11 bucks, and just cut the fitting off the end, barb it onto more standard pipe fittings. And that gets down to about 10 inches. Mercury will break the seal on that. Okay, probably can break the seal now. There it went. And one more thing. Now we have a wet filter. We're going to put it in with our other filters. Set that aside. Now carefully, this is when you tend to dump things, when you have hoses attached. Put that in the back so we don't spill it. Let's bring our heater forward. I'm going to set that on 2 out of 5. And we're going to let heat take the rest of the moisture out of this, and then we'll break it off. There's one we did yesterday. Still a lot of powder on that.
Yeah, definitely save that.
There's a second filter we did. Still a lot on that. We're going to have to rinse those with acid. But this is the one we're interested in right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try and, we're going to dump it
Oh, yeah. Look at all the stuff
right now. Let it heat up.
Oh, the cake.
Filter cake, filter residue precipitant. Just going to let that dry out. Main thing we're after is to dry out the filter so we can take it out of here, put it in a baggie, and get a weight on it without liquid.